Right, with the C3 June 2013, so the old specification, last question on the page, trig question, long words. We got the rcos thing, the sine of cos into one cos. We're going to find the minimum, another distance, and solve an equation. But I thought there's a lot of contextualisation here, which is all a bit pointless, really. They talks about Kate crossing the road, constant width. She starts off 24 metres ahead. So Kate runs from here to here, and John is running along the road. But they get to the other side of the road at the same time, so they reach this line at the same time. And we're going to use this formula. So all this just to give you this formula, which they give you anyway. So it's a lot of pointless contextualisation, really, which really haven't got time for in an exam, I think. But anyways, well, I thought we'd derive this anyway, because I mean, they could ask you to do it. I don't think they would, but it's on the content. I mean, they had integration by parts on the statistics paper last year, so who knows. So here we go. So Kate crossing the road, constant width. Here's Kate. She's run across here. She wants to take the photo from the other side of the road. So she gets over to here, but she might be anywhere along here, depending on what angle she sets off. She wants to take a photo from the other side of the road, probably because, I don't know, maybe the scenery is better on this side, I don't know. But she's taking a photo of John, who's going to run all the way along. And so they get to this point at the same time, and then she takes a photo. So that's what happens. And we've got to sort of derive this formula. Well, we haven't gone to, it wasn't in the question, but I'll go to anyway, because you're only young once. So here we go. I've called that point C. So the time for Kate to get across the road, to go from A to B, wherever it is, well, her speed is v meters per second, so it's the length of AB, whatever it is, over V. For John, well, he's got to run that 24 meters plus this extra distance, this A to C, and he's running at 3 meters per second. So that's the time that John takes to get to BC. Now, those two times have got to be the same, because it said that as soon as she gets across the road, he's at the dotted line. But if I rearrange it, I can put the 3 with the AB and the 24, sort of cross multiply, really. So I'll stick this down here and put the 3 up there. 3AB over 24 plus AC. And I want it to get rid of the AB and the AC and get it in terms of sine thetas, cos thetas. If you look at this triangle, ABC, the sine of theta, whatever it is BC over AB. The BC is 7. So I can write that AB is 7 over sine theta, and I can replace that AC then with 7 over sine theta. Also, I want the AC. I know what BC is, so I can write the tan theta, BC, which is 7 over AC. So AC is 7 over tan theta, which is the same as 7 times cos theta over sine theta. So dividing by tan and then multiplying by cot, replacing the AC here with that, and then multiply the top up by sine theta. I get this, and there's the formula.